I'll briefly outline the topic that is for this side event. So the topic is the power of culture, nature and community. Today we will learn how eco-villages and heritage trust organisations can and are helping to scale up ambition, achieve the Paris Agreement, preserve natural and cultural heritage, protect the rights of nature, restore degraded ecosystems, sequester carbon, and lead to healthier, thriving communities. So without further ado, I'd like to introduce our first panelist, and that is Queen Quet. Queen Quet is a published author, computer scientist, lecturer, mathematician, historian, columnist, preservationist, environmental justice advocate, environmentalist, film consultant, and artist. She is the founder of the premier advocacy organisation for the continuation of Gullah Geechee culture, the Gullah Geechee Sea Island Coalition. She is also the head of state for the Gullah Geechee Nation. So without further ado, I'd like to introduce you to Queen Quet.
What's been normalized, but it doesn't mean that that's the original thing that was there. So now, as I said to you earlier, if I disappear, would you care? Would it matter? If you never again, people are quite deep like they show you around that year before now. You never heard another person speak that way. You probably never heard it spoken before now. Would it matter? Would you care? If you didn't understand it, you probably wouldn't. Because you didn't know it was important. And that's one of the things that we're dealing with now. So we talk about the power of culture and community. What about communities that are not in the places where their cultures originated? What about the languages, the songs, the rituals, the things that matter to those communities? If it's not yours, does it mean it doesn't matter? That it doesn't make a difference? I say it makes a difference because not everyone speaks the same language, and especially as the climate changes to evolve into one that is global. How do we get along within all the things we're being faced with when there's a rising sea of xenophobia higher than the water level that we're talking about? Where if it's not like you say, well, who cares? Or it doesn't matter. Or you just dismiss it. Or you look on your Google app and try to see, can it be translated so that it can matter? Well, my language isn't on your Google map. My nation isn't on a Google map. But does that mean it doesn't matter? I think not. I think that instead of just the seas rising, we have to rise together as voices that appreciate and respect all of the cultures, all of the communities around the world. Many of them indigenous to these places and these spaces that now find water rising to go over them, find that people are overbuilding and eliminating the places and the spaces that those cultures built. As I said to you in my native tongue, which is Gullah, from the Sea Islands, which sit in the Atlantic Ocean, from Jacksonville, North Carolina to Jacksonville, Florida, off Los Estados Unidos, off of the United States, that there we are never short on the culture of Spain, because in fact the very island that I'm a native of is named Santa Elena. It was named for the patron saint of Gullah, who came to that place traveling and arrived on the day of his saint and said, it's so beautiful, I want to name it for her. So unto this moment, our place is called Saint Helena, or Saint Helena is how we pronounce it. And here it is that every day we say something that associates us with this place. But the entire time that I've been here, no one here was associated with Gullah Geechee culture. No one here could speak to me in my language. No one here even thought to think I had another language other than this one that I'm speaking in now, which is my second language. My family, we drove down like every family like that. But why is it that many Gullah Geechees no longer speak Gullah? It is because people came into our communities and to them, our language meant nothing, our culture meant nothing, but our cultural landscape meant everything, because the United States wouldn't exist had we not been enslaved to build it. Had we not been the black gold that they sold alongside of the Carolina gold rice that they sold, alongside of the indigo that they sold, alongside of the Sea Island cotton. Yes, the cotton has the name of the islands. And now, what do they say? The Gullah Geechee Nation is a cultural landscape. It needs to be preserved. But where we are, preserving means putting something in a jar, putting that jar on the shelf with a very tight lid on it. And I think that there are people in the world right now that would like to put a very tight lid on us. Because how dare us say that in the midst of all the global attention to this matter of climate change, we ought to hear all the voices. We ought to hear all the languages. We ought to speak to each other in ways that around the world matter to us all. Someone would like to put a tight lid on that. And when you do it, you hold it in place and you put it on a shelf and it's only there with your interpretive panels next to it. But what if that jar popped open and everything in it popped out? What would the interpretation be then, and how would it sound? Maybe it sounded like this, or maybe it would say, Je parle français, or maybe they would say, until it we won't know until that lid comes off, until we realize where our real power is. And that's why when they said to me that a group of people who focus on trust, national trust, I said, well, that's a very interesting word, because that's not something you just give to somebody. That's something they got to build up. It's a trust. Why should we trust them? Well, they said, well, we get into this thing and we get into it together. And that's why we want to build relationships where we can trust that our heritage, our cultural heritage is not that one that I was born into, but it's the ones of the world. And we want to see those things that are important to multiple communities. And they said, but the only way we can do it is if we let the cultural indigenous voices speak. So we're going to go back to the beginning. We're going to take the people at the top into a village, into an eco-village, where people will get understanding, because too many have been under too long, that actually there are voices that speak other than what are established at the UN's global languages, or major languages, or major mother tongues, because our mothers may not have spoken in those tongues when they held us as babies, and our babies need to speak in our tongues, even if it's not like they should have the rest of you thinking in the cry and saying weird thing like that. We all know that when a baby cries, all of us understand it. And I think now Mother Earth is hearing her babies cry, and we all sound the same. We're crying out for healing the land. We're crying out for her to realize that the things we've done to her, we recognize are not right. We're crying out to her for her to say, it's okay, come back home. I won't drown you in the rising sea. In fact, instead, I'll use that water to cleanse the earth. I'll cleanse it of all of the things that have burned all of the troubles out of your way. I'll use it to actually remove those who are xenophobic, those who are racist. I'll remove those that are in positions that they think are powerful, so that they will have to hear you, and that they will hear where the power really is in culture and in community, and in standing together and hearing one another, singing together, clapping together, uniting. And do we have time to wait to get there? I don't think so. I think that we've been called today to action. When I got here yesterday, I saw my language on the wall here, Yah. But Yah is now in this language. Yah is now in Gullah. And Yah is here in Gullah. So now we're here together. But what do we do when we go back into the various parts of the world? And you go back to your community. Maybe you'll sing a different song than mine sings. But I pray it's one of unity. So in my community, we came together with scientists, anthropologists, academics of various fields, with nation leaders. We put together the We Be Gullah Geechee cultural, capital, and collaboration anthology to say to others in the world, if you're going to come to our community, you need to speak our language. You need to know how to do research respectfully here in our space, in our circle. We normally would sit in a circle instead of in a line, and we would be able to sing together. So if there's anything that I've said that's resonated with any of you today, I'd appreciate it if you help me as I take my journey back out where you all are to sit with you. I'd appreciate it if you join me in one of our traditional songs that ignites action, because according to my language, according to the Spanish language, the time is now for us to act. So let's see if we can do it together. If y'all are ready to help me out a little bit? Yes? Yes? So let's do it.